Court now, because there's been another very important intervention that's been made by the Supreme Court in a case of enormous significance as far as the environment is concerned. And this is over the Aravallis. Now, this has been playing out in the Supreme Court for quite some time now. And let's in fact go across to my colleague Rishabh as well as Bhavtosh, who are reporting on this matter. But first and foremost, to Bhavtosh. Bhavtosh, take us through what the Supreme Court, the Chief Justice of India, who's been hearing the Aravallis matter, has now said. Because I'm just quoting the oral observations that he's made, that we deem it necessary that the committee recommendation and directions of this court be kept in abeyance. Is this now in reference to the previous order of the Supreme Court that had come with a specific definition of what constitutes the Aravallis and where developmental activity can in fact be undertaken? Bhavtosh, take us through the details of the order today.
Yes, in fact, that's a very big victory for environmentalists and also for all those who were, in fact, protesting after the last November order given by then Chief Justice of India, B.R. Gavai. What the Chief Justice of India has said that we direct that the recommendation of the committee and findings of the Supreme Court earlier order thereafter shall remain in abeyance. Till then, the case to be taken up on 21st January 2026. The Supreme Court has also said that a multi-temporal examination of Aravalli Hills and ranges will be examined by a high-part committee comprising domain experts to protect structural and ecological integrity of the hill range. And Supreme Court has also said that they will be seeking clarification.
Yes, go ahead, Bhavtosh.
And they have said that they will be seeking clarification. The Supreme Court has also said that it's seeking clarification on expert committee's conclusion. Supreme Court has issued notice to the Union of India for Aravalli states, that is Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat. It has said that that recommendation of expert committee in operation of Supreme Court judgment has stayed. Supreme Court constitute fresh panel or domain experts. Siddharth, what has happened is that they have in fact stayed the order that was given by the earlier Chief Justice of India, Justice Gavai. It has in fact found there is some merit in the various protests that were happening. There were a series of protests that have happened. There were several environmentalists who have said that the 100-meter rule will lead to in fact deforestation of this entire Aravalli range. Despite several claims by the Environment Ministry that this would not happen, that there would not be any illegal mining, the Supreme Court, in fact, had used its own knowledge and it said that it is staying the previous order, and it has, in fact, adjourned this entire matter till 21st of January.
Right, Bhavtosh.